Hello there. I may have too many colors, but we'll see. I want to do something ocean related, so let's see if I can do what I want to do. This is Prussian Blue Hue, Phthalo Blue, Viridian Green Hue, Cobalt Blue Hue, Cobalt Teal Hue, Burnt Umber, and Hansa Yellow Medium of the Premium, and then of the Americana Multi-Surface I have Waterfront. Let's see if I can do what I want to do. I am going to use white on the Amsterdam series, and I'm going to add a tiny bit of the burnt umber and the Hansa Yellow Medium to make like a sandy color, like a sand color. So let's get started. So I have white in there, and to that white I'm going to add a tiny bit of this burnt umber. I don't know if that's going to be enough, but a little bit of the yellow. The yellow is closed. Maybe that may be too much yellow. I'm going to take only a small portion of the yellow. I'm going to put 2 drops of spot on in each of the colors. Okay, so I put the sand in there. I'm going to put dark blue in here. Oops. Okay. Now, I'm going to put, I'm going to do a flick cup. But with the technique that I used to do that has the white around it, because that technique, I like it because it makes the, how do you call it, like lacing. So, oops, this is very dirty in here. So I'm going to put the cup in there. It's going to be very, very hard because it's super full. So I think I'm going to do it this way. I want to clean my hands. I just clean my hand. I want to change the gloves. Gloves are very expensive these days. So I want to put the white. Keep turning them on this side. Okay, so I wanted to sip it underneath that white. Okay, I don't know if that's gonna be good or not, but was my plan. So let's torch it. I want to lose that dark because I like that I have that dark in there. Okay, so now, okay, this is supposed to be a beige. I don't want to break that. And I'm thinking of enhancing this, maybe enhancing this. You must be saying, she should eliminate that sand color completely, but no. That was not the purpose. Purpose was to make like a beach scene. I'm going to continue with the swiping in here and making those in the sand, when the water is going into the sand. Let's torch again. That's alright. We can move this section in there. We can eliminate that section and move it back. Because always on the, there's like a layer, a small layer of water on top of the beach in some areas. That's what I'm trying to create. But I have to move this to the back. I don't know, maybe I was not successful, but I wanted to do something different. Maybe that's better. I don't like the one in here, so I'm just gonna move it to that way. Lose that area in there. This is a great pretty medium though. It's not the pretty medium. The problem is the artist, not the pretty medium. I want to lose that gray area in there. it's looking better. It has the movement of the ocean. Better. Let's see. Now I'm going to take some skewer and put a tiny bit more of the white in here. Fell in that area that was not supposed to fail, but that's okay. Inspired by water. That's too much. Okay, so I think I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm just gonna put more of the, I'm gonna put a tiny bit more of that color in there. We don't want to lose the small section of sun that we have. And I'm gonna put, it has a lot of bubbles, just gonna, so that we have all those bubbles out. And I'm gonna bring you in. I don't know, it kind of reminds me of the water, so I hope you like what we did. I'm gonna show you closer. Gonna put it aside and take a photo.